Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We're just going to dive into the markets and we're going to check out and see what's popping, what's going on today. And we're just going to talk about a couple little things. We're going to do a shout outs, and we're also going to talk about the charts, and we're going to talk about the news and what's happening all over the place. Okay? Everybody's saying bearish, you know what that means, and we will hop into that. So, kicking it, rocking it, and here we go, baby, here we go. Okay. Alright, so right now, Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin's sitting right at, and this is on the 1 hour, and I'm using Trader's Reality Indicator, and we're right below that 50 EMA, and you see that the RSI on the bottom right there, you can actually see that. Let me actually spread this out a little bit more so we can talk about that. We're going to talk about a few things. Don't forget to stop by Jay Strategies, okay? This is the 1 hour chart that we're looking at, okay? Hop on by Jay Strategies. We're going to do a shout out for one of the top new meme projects coming out, you know. And we're going to rock out, but we got this on the 1 hour, and you can see. So you can see the red box, that's the New York session, okay? And New York session is about 1 p.m. New York session, so I'm waiting to see what happens at 3, but I want to see us tap that 50 EMA and see what happens at that 19,230 level. So as you can see, we've been riding on the 1 hour, okay? We've been riding below that 50 EMA, okay? So beware of that, where. Let me get closer to this mic here. There we go. Alright, that should be better. Alright, so you guys should be able to hear me better. Mad love. Yep. Mad love to my boy, Crypto Boy, man. He's been showing his skills in the chat, so if he's listening or he ends up watching this video, this is his beginning he did for me. And we're actually going to work on expanding this page. We're going to do a whole bunch of different how-to videos, and we're going to talk about staking, and I'm going to show you a bunch of different things that you can do to make passive income. So if you want to make passive income, okay, follow Jay Strategies. So follow Jay Strategies, and yeah. Alright, let me just drop this. Crypto news with Boo Inu. Shout out. Okay. Alright, I just had to drop something for some of my peeps over there. And we are rocking. Yep, crypto in the mix. Shout out to you, shout out to you. Okay. So, on the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin, okay, as you can see, we've been riding below this friggin' 50 EMA, okay? And you know from, you know, everybody that's been watching the videos or, you know, been sticking around for a little while, you know that we like to accumulate when we're below these 50 EMAs, okay? So, we pulled below the 50 EMA, and ever since then, you know, we try to fight it, we never pop back above it, okay? So then I was actually going ahead and let me pop on over into the 4 hour chart, okay? And let's see what's happening over here on the 4 hour chart. Let me just move this RSI down so I got a little bit more room, okay? I could show you the Sydney session right here in the green, the New York session, which is right here, okay, actually. Yep, and that's on the 4 hour. And you can see the M1 pivot zone, which was right here at the 18,000. Yeah, 18,830. So you can see 18,862. You know what I mean? So in between there. But just by looking at this, okay, this is a higher low there on the 4 hour, okay? And the 50 EMA did turn down a bit, okay? What we want to see is we want to see these candles coming up closer towards that 50 EMA, and we want to test it, and we want to pop up and ride above it. So that's why I like to watch my 1 hour charts, because I get, you know, a better outlook of what's going on in the markets, okay? So then let's go over to the S&P. Okay, so now I'm on the S&P, okay? We're on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 30 minute. It's easier to break that down. You can see where the daily open, which was right there at 357. So it's actually up today, 2.2, you know, and almost 0.6%. So that's actually pretty good. And you can see that on the half hour, it's sitting right there at the 50 EMA. Let me go back to the 1 hour, okay? And the 50 EMA is up here at the 364. So, you know, we did have this vector candle, so you got to keep that in mind. Let's go to the 15 minute, okay? This is the whole New York session here. We are at the M3 pivot zone, so you see how it came back and touched that M3 pivot zone at the 361, 362. So if we do end up retesting this 50 EMA, okay, over here at the 360, okay, we don't want to break below it, and we don't want to come back down towards the daily open, okay? So I'm waiting for this lunch hour that they had. It is officially over for their lunch hour that they had, so come back into the desk, okay, and come back into the trades, all right? So, oh yeah, I see you over there, Boo. Yeah, I'm gonna do the shout out, guys. Check out new project, Boo. Hop on over to the charts, okay? Very low market cap, okay? A lot of big things coming for it. They're just getting started. They're just getting ready. Stop by their channel, okay? Stop by the okay. Stop by the Boo Telegram, okay? And get into one of these gems, man. I'm in this gem and I'm rocking, and I just had to do the shout out and show you guys what the deal is here, and show you guys some of the top things happening here. But I just wanted to show you guys. Stop by J Strategies. I did a lot of you know, showing you the charts and showing you the new stuff, and this is something that I'm actually you know, kind of psyched about, because it's gonna move past Halloween and and move into each holiday, and you know, build more utility as they go along. All right, back into the chart, okay, and you can see that the S&P did pull bullish. All right, gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold. Look at that pump on gold, okay? So hold on a second. Look at that. So that's on the 15. Let me go back to the 1 hour. I love my 1 hours, okay? We're above the 50 EMA, and actually gold actually had a pump, but I think they might actually recover this vector candle back down to the daily open. All right, Bitcoin dominance, okay, is at 41%, and it's sitting right, yeah, okay, so it's above the 50, okay, and we're sitting right at a daily open. USDT, okay, you can see that it did actually pull down a little bit. This is the dominance, okay. I want to see it come back towards the 50 and money start pulling back in. Ethereum, on the other hand, okay, it needs to hit this on my 1 hour, because when we pulled down here below the daily open, this was accumulation zones. So I want to see if we can actually hit that 50 EMA and break above it, or we might get rejected back down to that daily open, because we have this vector candle in play, okay? So And you can also see the RSI is on the move. You know, it's on the move upward, so we will also keep our eyes on that. BNB, one of our lows right here, BNB, and we're sitting on the 1 hour. We're very, very close to the 50 EMA. Okay, I want to see us hit that 50 EMA, pop above it. Okay, retest it and continue. You know, I want to see. We had this cross happen. I want to actually see the 200 start turning up, and I want to see the 50 start turning up. So this is actually, you know, ever since it actually dipped down to 267, and now is a perfect time to grab a trade on it. But we do have this wick right here that you have to be careful of. But if we pull above, okay, this 50 EMA and then retest it, then that's definitely bullish. XRP has been really bullish, okay? So you look on the 1 hour, it's above the 200, and the 50 is above the 200. So I want to see us come up to the 50 EMA, like I've been saying on all these other ones. You know what I'm saying? And it just seems like it's a battle that we see these nice levels and then we end up pulling back onto it. Bitcoin, I'm gonna go all the way down to a lower time frame real quick, and then I want to just see something. Okay, so yeah, that's the daily open. So it's probably gonna test the daily open, and if it does, it'll come back to this 50 EMA, and if it goes below that, okay, you have this green vector candle, and a target would be right there at 19,032. So that would be, you know, a target if it doesn't pick its butt up and get it moving. 30-minute right there, you'll see right there, right at the 50 EMA, and that's for Bitcoin. Man, we got the DXY at 113, and look at that. It actually bounced off, and now it's coming up. When that strength is in there, usually Bitcoin pulls back a little bit, but you know, we'll keep an eye on that. Doge sitting at its 6 cents. 6 cents. It had a vector candle, and it actually came all the way back, and it recovered that vector candle, which you know, you guys should already know. Take it down to the 1 hour. Okay, and let me just spread this out. RSI is looking good. If we can sit above that 50 EMA and we can keep that retest and continue it, we can actually hit that psychological low. So those are some targets, and those are the top coins that I'm watching right now. Okay, shout out to all my guys out there that are hitting the Telegram channels, hitting the mods, hitting everything. You guys rock. You guys are great. Mad love and respect to you guys. I just wanted to get this information out there real quick. Okay, do a shout out. Stop by the channel. Stop by Boo. Show them the love. Follow them. See what's going on. See what's happening. And, you know, come and take a look. Could be a chance. Could be that gem. Take a look at the website. Take a look at the chart. And rock out. Come on over here, pop over to the channel, and we actually have some videos that we did, and we're going to be doing some promos on Twitter, so keep your eyes peeled for that, guys, okay? So back to the Bitcoin. This was just an overview real quick, just so I can show you guys exactly what's happening, okay? Let me go back to the daily Bitcoin real quick, okay? And you can see that RSI actually has been running flat. I want to see it turn up a little bit, okay? But we had these wick outs right here. So if we can actually close up at where this yellow line is, I want to see us make it. I want to make it back to that 50 EMA, and I want to go above it, pop and retest, guys. We need to hit 20K 150, man, and we need a hold. So you guys get out there, smash them tags, hit them tweets, and don't forget to stop by our Twitter pages, because all I do is mad love and respect to all you guys coming to the Telegram groups. Mad love. Jay